Hello people, so today we will solve LeetCode daily question, that is 945 minimum increment to make array unique. And in this we'll be given an integer array num, and in one we can begin an example where 0 is less than or equal to I lies between in a range, okay, 0 to n, yeah. And increment, we can increment nums I by 1, and we have to return the minimum number of moves to make every value in nums unique. Okay, for example, we are having nums 1, 2, 2, so we need to make every element unique. So what we had that we can do is we can make this 2 or either this 2 as 3. So we'll be having 1, 2, 3. In the next case, we can see we are having 1, 2, 3, 1 and then 7. So what we can do is we are having 1, we are having 2, then we are having oh sorry, we are having 1, then we are having another one. So let's say we make this as 4, because we are having up to the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then what we are having is we are having the 2 as well. Okay, so if we are having 2, then we are having 1. Let's say this is 4 now. Then we are having 2, and then again a 2 is there, so let's make it 5. Then we will be having 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. So we'll be needing a total of 6 moves, because converting from 2 to 4 will require okay, so converting from 1 to 4 will require 3 moves, and converting from 2 to 5 will also require 3 moves. So that's how our answer is 6. Yeah, so that's why my answer comes out to be 6, because converting from 1 to 4 will require 3 moves, 2 to 5 will require 3 moves as well. So that's why my answer is 6. Okay, so for this, firstly we'll have to sort the array. So let's have arrays dot sort, and we'll be sorting the nums array. Let's have a variable answer, and answer that is initial 0, and then we'll be traversing in the nums array that for int I equal to 1, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be checking that if nums I is less than or equal to nums of I minus 1. Okay, so that means if the previous number is if the current number is lesser than or equal to the previous number. Okay, well, I guess it should be just equal to case of yeah. In that case, we'll be updating it with answer plus equal to nums of I minus 1 minus nums of I, and we'll be adding 1 to it, because that will be the total number of steps. And in that we'll be also saying nums I will be equal to nums of I minus 1 plus 1. Okay, and at the end we just have to return answer. I'm just having one doubt that I'll clear over here. If I change this condition to it works, and let's just change, because I don't think that the less than equal to condition is valid in this case. Okay, so it's giving me a wrong answer probably. If nums, oh yeah, in the case of 2 and 1, yeah, right, yeah, and it's shifted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.